Imagine organizing a college hackathon where hundreds of students arrive and everything is managed manually. Registrations are weekly verified, fake entries slip through, PPTs are reviewed on the paper, long queues form for ID checks, and food coupons get misused. The result chaos, delays, and high fraud risk. So that's the problem. To solve this, we introducing Aerohacks, a smart QR-based hackathon management system that digitalizes registration, verification, entry, judging, and leaderboard tracking. With Aerohacks, hackathon becomes seamless, secure, and fully digital from start till the end. Let's start with the project workflow. So yeah, first user visits our landing page. This is our landing page. Yeah, then he clicks on host a hackathon. Then basically he gets the QR code for admin, judges, and participants. That's basically the key to access the dashboards. Then user enters the QR code based on participant, admin, and judges. There are different QR codes for everyone. So yeah, let's begin with the workflow. First, participants enter as a dashboard in the dashboard, and he submits PPT and resume and all the details of his team members. Then basically, AI verifies the PPT and resume and releases a AI analysis for it. Then it is being sent to the admin. Then based on the scores of generated by AI, there is a shortlisted list of teams which are released, and based on that, entry and food passes are released in the offline hackathon. Yeah, then the round two begins. The hackathons actually start. Participant After the hackathon ends, participant shares a GitHub link. The GitHub link is being verified by the Hugging Face API, which is sent to the admin. Again, all the GitHub links. And yeah, then the admin sends the data of the shortlisted teams as well as with the GitHub profiles or any deployed project link to the judge. Then, based on the four rubrics, innovation, for example, innovation, creativity, and whatnot, judges grade the participant, and the judges can see the AI review of the entire project. Yeah. Then basically judges modify and prepare the leaderboard. Then he sends the leaderboard to the admin. Then through admin, the results are being published, and boom, winners are being announced. So yeah, this is the entire workflow of our project. Now let's begin with the demo of our project. As explained in the workflow, the participant enters on our landing page. Then basically he can host a hackathon. For saving time, we have already hosted a hackathon with this code for demo and testing purposes. So yeah, you can enter manually this code, or you can upload the QR code basically for admin, participant, and judges. So yeah, let's enter with the participant first. So yeah, here you can see the form basically. Yeah, you can upload the actual GitHub repo here. As you can see, this is the working repository. So I will copy the link and paste it here. And yeah, yeah. Now I will check for, yeah, it's not a verified repo because T is missing here. Yeah, we will put it and boom, the GitHub repo is being verified. Now we will upload a PPT. Yeah, yeah. Analysis of PPT, basically all the verification checks, verified. We have used Sandbox API key here to check Aadhaar, and basically it is a DigiLocker based authentication. Yeah, now completing the registration. Yeah, this is our dashboard, and participant can view his submission here. Yeah, basically he can review. This is the AI analysis or review model. We have used Hugging Face API for it. Basically, it gives us the strength of the presentation, areas of the improvement, what all tech stack can we more bring. Like you can see general feedback, what are the general feedback, and you can see the leaderboard is being logged because admin and judges have not released anything, right? So yeah, now let's begin with the admin dashboard. We will enter the QR for admin, and yeah, basically this now we will be managing the shortlisting. Yeah. Now, as you can see, we will click on start grading with AI, and AI would grade everything. First, we have to select how many teams are being shortlisted. For simplicity, we would choose 4 teams. Yeah, top 4 teams are being selected, and yeah, then admin will finalize the shortlisting. All the QR codes would be generated on the dashboard, and yeah, that's it. Now entry logs, you can see whether entries there or not. Now submissions and whatnot. And admin can also see the review, means manually he can also notify the review whether AI could make mistakes, right? So he can see the review analysis. He can also view the PPT, basically PPT is being downloaded here. He can also view the PPT submitted by the participant. And yeah, we can also view the resume same as well. Yeah, now let's go to the judging dashboard. We will, yeah, as you can see, the 4 teams were shortlisted by the admin, by AI. Yeah, now there are 4 rubrics here for basically for uh, judging the team. We can also see the AI evaluation summary. Judges can also see the AI evaluation summary. Even in case if they forget about the project, they can move into the AI recommendation and summary. Yeah. Now judges would start grading. Yeah. Submit evaluation. Yeah. Similarly, he will grade all the 3 teams as well. You can also view the presentation from here. Yeah, you can see it is downloaded. Yeah. Now judge would can see the leaderboard and check whether everything works well or not. And now he would send it to admin. Now we would be logging in as an admin. Yeah. Now admin can see the leaderboard, and he would basically send the results to the participants. Yeah, as you can see here, it is mentioning you are not shortlisted since we have not shortlisted the registered team, which was Team Decryptors. So yeah, here we can see the leaderboard as well, and that's our whole project. Thank you.